And after 3 months, soft drink sales had dropped 11.4%, and water sales had risen 25.8%. Just by the location of where they put the water. Adding more water, people automatically drank more water and less soda. Why is that? Because the obviousness of what was in the environment. Now, the author of Atomic Habits, James Clear, makes the point that people change their behavior not because of their willpower or their self-control, but because of obvious cues, the availability of stuff. Interesting, isn't it? 1936, Kurt Lewin, a psychologist, discovered a principle, and that was behavior is the function of a person in his or her environment.